Hi everyone. Which technology is the best for working professionals in database and SQL technologies? You may be working as a SQL developer or a database administrator in Microsoft or Oracle or MySQL, Postgres, any database technology for that matter. Which technology is the best? Let's get few options in this short session. And this is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. In this short session, let's evaluate the possible options. Yes, one of the trending technology in the market right now, cloud engineering or data engineering technology, data warehouse concepts, or cloud-based data warehouse. That's nothing but data engineering with big data, cloud computing, and data analytics. As a data engineer, the job role is data engineer, one of the preferred job role for working database professionals, a prominent job environment for ETL and data warehousing, big data analytics, and cloud computing. My God, it has a lot of options, lot of technologies are involved in data engineering stream. And without data engineering, there is no data science, there is no AI. The complete data, the big data is being managed, designed, managed, maintained by data engineers now. Hence, we see good amount of job options, opportunities in LinkedIn and other famous international job portals. As a data engineer, we are involved in number one, ETL, extract, transform, and load. I mean, it's all about extracting data from various sources. If you OLTP or line of business or IoT devices or files, anything, we extract data from various sources and then we clean the data, dice it, slice it, make it in a streamlined way, and then finally load the data into a warehouse, a data warehouse or big data. From data warehouse comes AI, data science, analytics, and so on. So here it is on our screen now. Various data sources, as you see on the left side of the screen. Various data sources. The birthplace of data is now taken into OLTP, online transaction processing layer, OLTP layer. It is inside OLTP, the data validations, consistency checks, and transaction integrity will be implemented for the actual live real-time applications. As the data moves on, we have the warehouse for stale entries, inactive data, aggregated data loads, incremental data, and cold cold data, and so on. So as a data engineer, this is our actual storage activity, data warehouse design, and data warehouse management. The actual big data platform that requires cloud computing. And we can perform data analytics out of it. And from there we have OLAP, Power BI, and so on. So here it is, the career options for database developers, administrators, and database testers. Either you are from Microsoft platform, you have work experience on Microsoft platform, or non-Microsoft, or even anyone, everyone, you have two different common data engineering platforms right now, Azure and AWS, Amazon Web Services. Well, Azure is known for cheaper, easy to use data engineering activities. AWS is known for more robust, bit costly affair in terms of license and support. But both data engineering from Azure and data engineering from AWS have more or less similar concepts. The purpose is at the end of the day same, but the way we implement is bit different here. The interface is different, the technologies are different, but the end implementation objective remains same: ETL, data warehouse, and big data analytics. With this information, so data engineer involves various components: ETL component, storage component, data warehouse, and analytic components. 4 important components are involved here. And to make it more clear for us on my screen, Azure data engineering involves 2 important ETL concepts. Number 1, data factory, Azure data factory. Number 2, open source Databricks. And we have storage, account and data lake storage. And towards the right you see data warehouse. We have Microsoft data warehouse Synapse and open source data warehouse called Spark activity, Spark databases that runs on Hadoop. We say Hive Metastore, Hive Metastore, and Hadoop. Similarly, AWS data engineering components, we have ETL components there called Amazon Glue and open source Databricks, storage components S3, and we have data warehouse concepts or data warehouse components, Amazon Redshift, and again open source. So we have ETL, storage, and data warehouse concepts. Either you go for Azure or AWS, either of them. Now the question, which one to choose? Which one to go for? Well, choice is absolutely yours. You need to decide. But from my end, from my perspective, when we compare both, I usually see more number of openings for both Azure as well as AWS. If someone is from Microsoft Technologies, prefer to go for Azure. For example, you're from .NET or Microsoft SQL or Dynamics or Excel, any Microsoft technology, prefer to continue your journey in Azure stream, Microsoft. If you are from non-Microsoft technology like Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Sybase, Ingress, etc., then you choose anyone, either Azure or AWS or maybe both, depending on your amount of experience you would like to showcase in your resume. Sometimes multi-cloud works, multi-skill set cloud technologies work in few cases. So if you are from Microsoft platform, continue Azure. If you are from non-Microsoft like AWS or Oracle, MySQL or Sybase, Ingress, Postgres, any other platform, then you have 2 different options, either to choose AWS or to choose Azure. One is cheaper, left side of my screen. Other one is too powerful and costly, right side of my screen. You have openings proportionate to competition in the outside market. So whatever we choose, make sure we do our best, trusting our decision. Once you choose a technology, let's trust the decision and make sure we do the maximum to get complete hands-on in our classes at our SQL school. I would be the trainer for Azure data engineering, for all these concepts, all these components you see on my screen. And we have a set of trainers separately for AWS, right side of my screen. And at our SQL school, I ensure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from day 1, second half. First off, okay, we do introduction, understanding about the technology from scratch, then continues the practice step by step. Trust me, it will be very lovely and lively classes from very scratch. It's my duty to make you love the technology, feel it, so that we are ready for the next level updates on the technology, whatever we learn. And what else? I'll be waiting for your live demo class. Let's meet live. Let's understand more about the details of the course. Let's connect on LinkedIn, or you can WhatsApp me, or any of the other numbers you see on my screen for a live demo session, and we'll meet there. Thank you so much and see you soon. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. Bye bye.